Hello guys, this is Luben Johnson from Luben TV guys. Today I'm back with another video guys, and guys, in today's video I'm gonna answer all your questions guys, because people have been asking me, hey man, how do you do this? And people have been sending me message, man, teach us how to build this bike, do this, I want to come and learn. So guys, in today's video I'm gonna be teaching you how to build a BMX CUB guys, and in this thing I'm doing it like a course. I'm gonna be teaching you this thing episode by episode guys. I'm gonna gradually teach you how to build a BMX CUB. By the end of this course you're gonna build something like this, and the good part of it is that I'm doing this thing for absolutely free. So what you want to do is just hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, so that I'm gonna be dropping the episode by episode. So anytime I drop the next episode, YouTube gonna notify you when I drop the next episode guys. So if you don't subscribe, you're not gonna be getting the episode. Just gonna be like you are missing up the class. So guys, subscription is absolutely free. So guys, today I'm gonna teach you how to build this bike for absolutely free guys. So first thing I do building this bike, I sketch my project to know what I'm doing and to know the materials I'm gonna be using. But for you, you don't need to sketch. You can sketch if you want, but you don't need to sketch because already I'm teaching you these things step by step already. So guys, first thing I do, I go to the scrap yard. You can go to any shop to grab your pipe. Make sure it's a thick pipe. You can go on galvanized. For me, I choose galvanized because they are strong, but today I'm not using galvanized because I don't find one. So you can go on any shop that they sell thick pipe and grab your pipe, and that will be cool. And then I paid, and then I've taken it to my workshop. For now, I'm gonna do my measurement. Like this upper rod, I cut it 10 inches. And what you have to have in your mind guys, if you are doing this thing, make sure you got your tape and you put everything straight like I'm doing right now. You can see I'm putting it very straight, and you make sure it looks straight. And the topper bar I cut it 24 inches guys. One thing I hate most in building bikes, I don't want my bike to look like a homemade bike. I want it to look professionally. So if you're doing this thing, make sure you put everything straight like I'm doing right now. I'm putting it very straight. Make sure it looks very straight. If you don't look very straight, believe me, by the end of the job, someone's gonna notice that this bike is a homemade bike. But when you are doing it straight, the bike gonna look pretty good guys. Okay, doing these things, some places that you have challenges and you think you are not professional by doing it, just take it to someone that can help you. Like you have to have a mechanical skills. For me, I'll do it myself. Especially if you don't have a welding skills, you're gonna take it to a good welder to help you weld, because you have to weld this thing pretty strong, because if you don't do it strong, you're gonna have issue when you got the job done. So you have to do this thing professionally, because you know you are building up a bike guys. So guys, in today's video we're gonna start from here, but by the end of this course we're gonna build something like this. So just hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, so that you're gonna be notified anytime I drop the episode 2 guys. Subscription is absolutely free. And if you're watching this in the future, the episode 2 gonna be in the description of this video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe to the channel, so that you're gonna be notified anytime I drop the episode 2 guys. So see you in my next video. Peace.